The hardest part isn't the meltdown. It's not knowing what to do in the moment. And if you've ever felt that panic, this is your turning point. Picture this. You're in the supermarket. Your child is overwhelmed, overstimulated, and suddenly, boom, full-blown meltdown. Or at home, the place that's supposed to feel safe. Your child is trashing the kitchen, throwing things, hitting, screaming, and you're trying to protect everyone. And then there's the restaurant moment, food flying, plates flipping, your child jumping on the seat while strangers stare. Parents of neurodiverse kids face crisis moments that hit different, and nobody gives you a manual. Nobody teaches you what to do. That ends today. Introducing the ECS Crisis Management course. Calm in the Chaos A, powerful, trauma-informed. 4-module online training designed specifically for families and caregivers raising children with autism, ADHD, developmental disabilities, trauma histories, and complex needs. This course gives you the tools to respond, not react, when emotions rise, behaviors escalate, or safety becomes a concern. The Calm in the Chaos Crisis Management course plus Crisis app gives you step-by-step crisis de-escalation, scripts for meltdowns and shutdowns, sensory overload support, tools to regulate your nervous system, a safety plan for home and community, instant app guidance during crisis, real tools for real families, not theories, not guesses. You get confidence, you get clarity, you get a plan, you get peace, you get your power back in moments that used to break you. But if you skip this, you stay overwhelmed, you stay guessing, you stay stuck in crisis mode with no tools, no plan, and no support. Get the help you need right in the palm of your hand. The ECS Crisis Management course with bonus app plus community group plus limited time pricing. The course and app are just $29.99. And original price, $49.99. This is your chance. If you're done feeling helpless, done guessing, done surviving crisis moments, join today. Press the link, press the button, get the course, the app, and the online community for this introductory price of $29.99. If you're ready to stop feeling overwhelmed, if you're ready to feel confident, prepared, and supported, if you're ready to bring more peace, safety, and connection into your home, get the course, get the app, get your peace back. Your confidence starts the moment you begin. Let's bring calm to the chaos together. Exceptional Caregiver Solutions is here for you, always.